Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And now I'm going to download driver Lexmark, and this here for the serial. This here for the new type the driver download. This why I'm search the official website for you. I am like download for the official website. The official website not a virus and easy to download for the official website. And this here for official website. You click here and press Y website loading. You scroll down. This here for your title driver and support. You click here. You scroll down. You click here driver and download. Okay, you paste your model, you print, detect automatic your model printer. Okay, this here for detect automatic your model and detect automatic your operating system. And I am make the operating system for the Windows 8. You scroll down and I'm sure for you and you click here. This here for operating system for the Linux, for the Mac, for the Windows. I'm sure for the Mac, and click your operating system, and this here for not the update for the operating system. Okay, you click here, this click for the Linux, and you click here, this here for the I'm looking the federal. Okay, this here for not update for federal. If you need to download, you click here, you look in the package you are download, and change the operating system for the Windows, and version. This here for the update for operating system for the Windows, and this here for Windows 8 driver, Windows 11 driver, Windows 7 driver, Windows 9 driver, Windows 9.1 driver, and Windows Server support. And I am select for the Windows 11, and you're looking here. This one, start loading and looking here for new update for the Mac for the Windows 11 support. And I am recommendation for you. You do not for the package. Please why I'm search for the package, and this here for universal print driver installation package, and I am recommendation for you for here package, and click here, and if you need to download you click here start download. Okay, this here for the driver download. If you need install driver for the your printer, you turn on the power printer, you put cable USB printer to laptop or PC. Laptop or PC detect the USB cable printer and press Y to finish driver download. If you finish the driver download, you double click here or you click here, you click open, you double click file, you click next and finish. Is here for detect automatic your operating system. Okay, if you need question, comment below. If you need the note below description of the video. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe my channel. See you next time.